Good morning, friends. I am here to show you guys what I got in my inserts. Now, just remember, Red Plum is now Retail Me Not. You can still print off coupons from redplum.com. They are slowly making its way to Retail Me Not. I did go on their website this morning. There was no coupons to print for Retail Me Not, but there's some old ones for Red Plum. So, if you guys are interested in that, go for it. You can just go to that website right there, but they don't have anything on there yet. But I'm here to show you guys what I got in my inserts. So as you see, Dollar General. I actually went there the other day. I didn't coupon. I just wanted to check it out. So yeah, got those $1 off shred boxes of cereal, some Clements, which I think is a Midwest thing, Green Mountain Coffee, Kitchen. Here we got Miracle Whip, which is a great coupon. I could see some deals going on with Miracle Whip. I feel like my door is open. Yeah, I'm right next to my patio door. Splenda. I'm excited for some Splenda coupons. Usually we've gotten some great deals with that coupon. $3 off Magox, $2 off of diapers, $2 off of pull-ups, and 55 cents off of baby wipes. Yeah, I will take those. Those are awesome coupons. 75 cents off of Ritz crackers. Oh, it's off of 2 Ritz crackers. $1 off of Good Thins. Sorry, I'm like right next to my door and I feel a breeze, so it's weird. Here we got $3 off of Poise and $3 off of Depends, which could be an okay deal. Palmolive, 25 cents, $1. And then we got Nabisco multi-pack, so that's a great coupon. Here we got $1 off the Swedish Fish or Sour Patch Kids, so that could be a great deal. $1 off of Dole. Here's a great coupon and a freebie at CVS this week, $1 off of Colgate. And then there's also a freebie with the toothbrushes. I still have one of my coupons that I use. 75 cents off of soft soap. I'm pretty excited for those. 50 cents off of Kids Colgate. Here we got Super Pretzel. $1 off Bertolli. Sally Henson, which I'm pretty excited about those coupons. I never used to get them in the past, but now I do. Hydroxycut. $5 hairs. Look at that. Look at that useless ad. I swear they put checks in every single one of these every single time. I don't care. I'm not going to order checks. I'll just order them online instead of a piece of paper. And then we got soft scrub or scrubbing bubbles. So there's that. And I can already see this is a waste. But they have a great coupon for the Retail Me Not. Is buy one Clairol nice and easy. Get one Root Touch Up for free, so that could be a great coupon. Plus I think there is deals on Ibotta. Hellmann's Mayo, we got Dove, and here we got, this is a great coupon. Oh, it's buy one get one free. In the past they gave away these for free, so there's that. We got Wet n Wild Dean's ice cream. That's probably my area, but some of you guys might get that. Oh, look, more checks. Look at that. And yeah, that's all that I got. Oh, and I finally got a PRX, but it is for Dollar General only. So that is what was in my inserts. I got some pretty decent coupons. I just wanted to share with you guys what I got, and I will see you guys later today. Bye-bye.